Long ago, in a quiet village, the moon cried only once every month. On full moon nights, one silver tear would fall gently from the sky. It always landed in the soft wool of a little white lamb grazing in the hills. A kind shepherd named Aaron knew this secret. He carefully gathered that special wool and spun it into a cloak. But this was no ordinary cloak. Whoever wore it felt brave, as if the moonlight was hugging them. One day, a shy little girl named Mira came to the hills. She was quiet and afraid to speak in front of others. Aaron saw her kindness and gave her the magical cloak. As soon as she wore it, she felt warm and strong inside. That evening, when others were arguing, Myra stepped forward and spoke with courage. Everyone listened. Peace returned. From that day on, Myra wore the moon's gift with pride, not to shine, but to help others find their own light.